Alright, so I need just 5 minutes of your time, and at the same time, I'll be adding value to your trading knowledge and also your trading skills. So if you click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, there you get to see a link that will bring you directly to this site right here, where you actually need to sign up, fill in your username, put in your mobile phone number, create a password, and also confirm the password once again, and automatically you'll be having an invitation code where you just need to just click on sign up and you can actually proceed to this site. And I'll be showing you steps on how to go about it, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out anytime I drop free updates on trading, no deposit bonus, and also most times crypto knowledge. So anytime once you're done filling your details, you just need to proceed to the main site. Alright, so once you log into the site, like I said, without wasting time, one thing I want you to take note of is this section that says activity. You can just take a quick look about the activities they're actually running right here, and you can see there's a bonus, there's a lucky wheel, and other stuff like that. So another part I want you to take note of is this scheme site. This is where I was actually able to actually make some points, and I'll be showing you a process on how to go about it. Now I'll be taking two from this section right here, and I'll be showing you simple strategy on how to go about them. Now see this first one that says wheel, and this right here that says red green. So these are the two games that I can actually explain properly. Now these two parts is what I'm actually going to show you a simple strategy on how to go about them. And at the same time, this site has a Telegram group where you actually get free signals about this type of games. So you actually get signal on the next outcome that's going to come, and you just place a little bit of stake right here. You can see this is showing $0. And to be able to proceed with this, you actually need to make a deposit into the account. Now for you to be able to make deposit into the account, you actually need to come to the main menu, back to the main menu, and see the second option that says deposit right here. So once you click on deposit, it actually brings the process on how to make deposit. And in this place, you're also going to be needing your crypto wallet. So all you need to do is click on this right here that says 2020, and you see a link has been generated on your behalf. So you can either just scan this QR code, or you actually just copy this link to your crypto wallet. And I'm actually going to make it my deposit right now. So I'm actually going to be going back to the main account which I was actually using before I actually created this new one. So I was actually creating a new account to explain to you guys the process on how to go about opening a new account. Now my main account right here, you can see it's actually showing over $200, and I'm actually going to be making some trades with them. Now see right here, this gaming section, and I'm actually going to be trading on this right here, this green and red and green. So you can see the process right here on how to go about it. Now the last for you to see the last outcomes, if you click on this right here, you can see this right here is the history of the last outcome of color that actually occurred. And you can see we have more of red in this place. So if you're actually going to be predicting, you should actually predict based on the color that actually occurred the most. Now, since we're actually going to wait for this timer, now at the end of this timer, you can see the color is actually spinning and it actually came out with green. So the fact is actually we have green right here as we have green as our new outcome. Alright, so and for the other game, you can see right here, this one is just a 30-second game, and this is very easy. Like the same strategy is also applied to this. Now, see this one, we have more black, and you can see there's a little bit of red and a little bit of blue, and you can see those colors right there. So if you're actually going to be staking, you stake based on the one that occurred the most. Now you can see right here, it's actually having more. We're actually having more of black, and we're having a little bit of red and just two blue. So if you're staking, you're actually going to stake either red, either blue, or black. So I'm actually going to be staking right now. I'm actually going to be staking on this color right here. So you see, I just stake right now and input the amount I'm stake, and you'll be seeing the profit I'm actually going to be making. So just wait a little bit for the timer, and at the end of the timer, you can see our result right here. Now you can see I just made additional amount to my balance, and that's how you go. You follow the same strategy and you make profit. So once you actually join the Telegram group, you actually get signal, and you follow the signal, and to be able to make withdrawal, if you come back to the main menu where you'll be able to see the option that says withdraw, and see among these options, you just need to look for the option that says withdraw, this right here, and you can see right here this section that is showing this amount right here. So I'm actually going to be placing withdrawal, and I'll be showing you withdrawal proof on the amount which I actually withdraw. So you can see these are the details right here on the screen. So all you need to do is to follow the process by adding your withdrawal address, adding the withdrawal amount, and the fund password, which is actually the same password which you use to log in into the site. It's the same password you're using to place withdrawal. So once you fill in every details and you just click on withdraw, you can see right here it says withdrawal successful. And this is right here after some minutes which I actually got a withdrawal into my crypto wallet. So that's the simple process you just need to follow. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification so that you won't miss out anytime I drop updates like this. And there's more to this. And if you actually need any part of the video you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section, and also join the Telegram group where you get to meet other traders and also share your opinion, drop comments, and also give the video a like. Have a nice day, guys.